Hello and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. Like I said this morning, I would be doing fresh pasta. Let me see here. Hi, let me get a light. Yes, I'm wearing a chef jacket. I'm wearing white because of flour. I don't want to get, because I'm wearing you can see, black shirt underneath. So let me show you what I have going on. Okay, I'm going to reveal. There's my pasta dough. That is 2 1/4 cups of flour, 3 large eggs, a smidgen of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. It's not holding together. So, I have tried, and oops, I guess flour and me are not supposed to get together. If you have any suggestions on how this can't be fixed, but in the future, how I can make this happen, let me know. I did it via the well method on my workspace here. Like I said, 2 1/4 cups of flour, tablespoon of olive oil, 3 large eggs, and enough salt according to, I didn't use kosher salt like I showed in the pictures, which you'll see later. I actually used sea salt, which is a smaller grain. So, help me out here, folks. All right, this has been the Casual Chef, here in the Casual Chef Kitchen, attempting fresh, homemade pasta. Didn't work. So, if you can help me out, let me know in the comments. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.